Hello everybody, this will be a video on a leading indicator that I like to use for the stock markets, and the stock markets in the past is why I kind of track it, which kind of correlates with Bitcoin, even though it hasn't really been correlating as much lately, but it could be a useful indicator for what direction Bitcoin will make in the future. Anyways, just the chart SPX ticker symbol, the S&P 500 index. Right now, we are on the daily time frame, and we are at a key resistance level, the 200 daily simple moving average. It is the green line you see on my chart right here. In the past, this has been a strong resistance for the SPX. As you can see, as it broke here, it made pretty significant highs. It acted as support, came back up, and then crashed down below it, rejected off of it as resistance, and then it made a significant pullback on the SPX chart. Now, right here, we are kind of rejecting off of it, and let's see if we can actually go through the break through this resistance. And the next thing I kind of want to talk about is using a leading indicator that I kind of use to predict where the S&P 500 is heading, and this is the Dow Jones Transportation Average Index, or DJT for short, the ticker symbol. And as you can see here, I do have the daily time frame showed up on this, and here you can see the 200 daily simple moving average got broken through. And so this could lead to a possibility of the SPX, a good chance of breaking through that resistance, the 200 daily simple moving average. And as you can see here, it kind of just broke above a trend line. And what I expect now is it to bounce off of this trend line and then just continue up. Just a more example of what I'm talking about in the past is that in the past, during that November, the S&P was kind of nearing tops, and right away, a few weeks before the S&P kind of put in all-time highs, the Dow Jones Transportation Index put in this large, massive wake up, and it led to all-time highs on the S&P. And so just going to the Dow Jones, this happened on the 2nd of November. The S&P, let's see when, so this would have happened right here when the S&P was right here. And the Dow Jones predicted a few weeks ahead, actually like 2 months ahead of when the top for the S&P would have been. This theory and information where I get it from is basically called the Dow theory, and it is a financial theory that says the market is in an uptrend once if one of its averages, industrials or transportation, advances above a previous important high and is accompanied by or followed by a similar advance in the other average. So another average you can use is the industrials. You guys can look up a common ticker symbol for that, but in this case, I like to use transports in leading the indication. And so as you can see, over the past few days, transports has been rallying pretty strong, and the S&P has been kind of falling behind too. In my opinion, I think we're going to see all-time highs soon for the S&P, as long as we maintain this bullish structure. And so I'm on the daily time frame right now, and as you can see, we were making, let me turn off my magnet tool here, but we were making higher highs right here. And so if we want to continue this bullish structure, we need to maintain like above this key level at 41,057 in order to maintain this bullish structure. If we end up losing and coming down below, closing below this key support, I expect the S&P to go much, much lower. Again, the reason for making this video is that there is a positive correlation between the S&P 500 and Bitcoin. I believe in the near future, once Bitcoin's market cap gets large enough into the many trillion dollars, just like gold, it will be its own market in a way and be more of a safe haven asset like gold is in a way. I'm not necessarily saying Bitcoin will be gold, but it will behave as its own behavior of a market. And that is pretty much it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Plus, I'll leave a link to a free Discord in the description where I post all my trades along with other traders posting their ideas, thoughts, and markets on the market conditions. And thanks. Bye.